Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your NVMe SSD health in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait for your Windows 11 computer to fully load. Make sure everything boots up completely before proceeding with the next steps. This ensures all your drives are properly detected and ready for monitoring. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, press the Windows Start menu button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar that appears, type in Computer Management and then hit Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Computer Management window, which is your central hub for managing various system components and storage devices. When the Computer Management window appears on your screen, direct your attention to the left panel. Look for the Storage option in the menu and click on it to expand the section. You'll notice that expanding this reveals additional options underneath, including the Disk Management settings. Go ahead and click on Disk Management. This tool provides a comprehensive view of all your storage drives and their current status. After clicking Disk Management, you'll be presented with a detailed overview of all the disk volumes you have installed on your Windows device. This includes your NVMe SSD along with any other drives connected to your system. The interface displays important information about each drive, including capacity, file system, and health status. Now, from this view, simply look for the status header in the disk list. Under this header, you'll see the health condition of your SSD drives displayed clearly. The health status is indicated by different colors depending on the current condition of your drive. Red indicates that your drive health is below 50%, which means your SSD may be at risk and you should consider backing up your data immediately. Yellow shows a health status above 50% but not greater than 80%, suggesting your drive is experiencing some wear but is still functional. Blue represents a healthy status, indicating your drive health is between 81 and 100%. Which means your NVMe SSD is in optimal condition. And that's it, you've now successfully checked your NVMe SSD health status using Windows 11's built-in tools. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.